click on the Factor Combinations link in this menu. This report provides more ideas around grouping levels within categorical variables. Every paired combination of levels within a categorical predictor is examined. The covariance between the coefficients is used to determine if they are statistically significantly different from each other. Where they aren't significantly different, shown by a cross, they are strong candidates for grouping. Like in the beta screen, a cross means take action, while a tick means all good, or probably all good. No action required, maybe. As a simple example, hire car, down the bottom here, has only two levels, 0 and 1. These are not significantly different from each other, so should be grouped. When a variable has only two levels like this, grouping those levels effectively means removing that variable, or removing hire car, from the model. The driver sex level of, or Z value of negative 2.27 is further from 0 than negative 1.96, so sex is significant. Train station and garage here should not be grouped together. They are significantly different from each other. Train station and street can be grouped together. Train station and carport can be grouped together. So working through this, we see that there is no single answer. As mentioned earlier, for example, dot can be grouped with garage or train station. But garage and train station can't be grouped together. So a call needs to be made whether to group dot with one or the other. Then see how carport can be grouped with train, station, and garage too. It can get messy. The point is to group variables as best you can, which might require a bit of trial and error. And then once you're done, check this report to see that there aren't any combinations in here that suggest further grouping is possible. When you get a predictor that has a lot of categorical levels, because it's looking at each possible pair and whether those pairs can be grouped, you can end up with something that's quite messy or quite long, such as age, where it's looking at each possible grouping of, the 75 to 80 band with 40 to 45, 70 to 75, 65 to 70, and so on. You're unlikely to group levels that aren't adjacent to each other where there's a clear ordering, such as with age as a clear ordering. So a lot of these groupings might not be sensible to even consider, or maybe they are. That's why judgment plays a large part.